Another product we're showing here is a new system on module we have here called Robotic 4VM. This is built expressly for robotics and industrial automation applications. Our idea with this product was for autonomous mobile robots and for other mobile robotic vehicles, we want to be able to provide one product that could comprise the entire compute system, vision processing system, and control system for the robot, as well as the safety system. With this product, we have two Cortex-A72s. We can capture up to 8 camera feeds using MIPI CSI. We have up to 8 ports of gigabit Ethernet. We have up to 10 CAN bus ports, 4 PCI Express ports, and oodles of I/O, tons and tons of I/O available to us. This is our EVM for Robotic 4VM. We can do AI acceleration up to 8 TOPS with this processor. This is based on the TI Jacinto TDA4VM. Here we have our 8 camera feeds. From here, we just have our little bears. I'll move the bear so you can see the bear. This is our 10-inch Vision Link panel connected with a single cable over to our EVM. It's a touchscreen display being powered, data and touch panel interfaces going over dual twisted pair cable. This is the first entry in the Rovi SOM family. This is our second one, be out later this year. It's covered with an integrated heat spreader, as you can see. This is Robotic 4VH, based on the Texas Instruments TDA4VH, which was just announced. This increases the processing horsepower, compute power of the device 4 times. So we'll have 4 times the general compute horsepower, we'll have 4 times the AI and ML acceleration, as well as 4 times the amount of memory. So stay tuned for that, Robotic 4VH later on in 2023. Another thing that we're showing here today is for customers that do not necessarily want to or have the skill set or the need or desire to be able to build their own custom baseboard with our system on module. We have designed traq, TRAQ. This is a new box computer product built for robotics and industrial automation. This basically takes all of this capability here that we have on the EVM and puts it into something that you can just drop into a system and integrate with the rest of your robot or industrial automation system. Here we could bring in up to 8 cameras here to traq 4VM. We have a display output, CAN bus ports, tons of I/O. You can just plug in a connector and get tons of I/O out of here. These are single pair Ethernet ports supporting 1 gigabit per second Ethernet in industrial applications and in robotic applications. This allows you to go some distance away from the device with 1 pair of wires up to a gigabit speeds. On the backside, we have a lot of standard I/O. Here we have our DC in. This is a wide voltage DC in, so 9 to 36 volts DC in. We have a DC out, which is switched and monitored. So you can power other components in your vehicle with this power, and you can monitor the current consumption of those components. We have obviously serial ports here and several USB ports. In addition, so we'll have up to 9 gigabit Ethernet ports out here. There's also a port of gigabit Ethernet here and a port of gigabit Ethernet here. So traq 4VM, also stay tuned for later on in 2023.
For more information and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.technexion.com or reach out to us directly by contacting sales@technexion.com. Thanks.